today's vlog so late. I just feel extremely tired. Move number. Thanks, y'all. Come me just did a book. Oh, it might beat me. Well, the one. Anyways, I'm on my way to KFC right now, and I don't want KFC. Like, I want it, but I'm like, I don't really want it because the oil. And yes, you guys were dragging me in the comments about my bacon, but I had intended to fry the egg first, but I never fry the egg and end up with the bacon first. Normally I do the egg, the sausage, then the bacon, but it didn't work out. And then, oh my, line dog, me, right, that's amazing. Sorry, my black. There's nothing I can do. This is where I want to go. Roadblock. Anyway, so I was blocking traffic a little bit, but then the people that move up. I don't feel to go inside the KFC, so I'm not gonna go inside the KFC. But anyways, and then lately I haven't even wanted. Huh? Okay, and then I haven't even wanted, like, I love barbecue. Like, guys, nobody can tell me nothing about barbecue. Like, nobody can tell me nothing about barbecue. But lately I've been wanting spicy. It's not spicy for one, but I like how crunchy it is. The original tastes nasty. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, nobody can tell me nothing about barbecue, girl. But lately I've been wanting, I've been dying for spicy. So that made it good. Well, let me show y'all. The KFC line starts way like it goes so, turn around and then go into the drive-thru. I got something downloaded on Netflix and we've been sit down and chill. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, I don't want it, but I want it. Not weird. I know I don't want the oils because it's worse. I'm breaking out, but I have a skincare brand that reached out to me, and I tried the products for a couple days. I want to try it longer, but I'm gonna post an initial review. So either you're seeing the initial review first, or you're seeing this video first. Make sure you watch it, or if it doesn't come yet, make sure you watch it when it comes. Yeah, so stay tuned for that if you haven't seen it yet. Yeah, but girls, I'm hungry, and I don't know. This is what I'm gonna settle for. I would even do some cooked food in the but then I forgot the ATM and draw money because I don't travel with money. I don't travel with cash, and that's one thing I hate about Jamaica, and I wish more small businesses would you know, get a credit card system set up. But sometimes I understand why people want to collect only cash. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down in this line. If anything pops up on my mind that I want to talk about, then I'll share that with you guys, but I don't really have anything on my mind regarding anything that I want to talk about. Guys, KFC finally have little sense. I don't know why they never do this from day one. Like, some restaurants do it. Some places, you see that lady, she's walking down now. Yeah, she was out here collecting all of our orders, so that's really good. Some of them just, I mean, not, but that's really smart that she did, or that they did that. Because I know some locations do. That's the smartest thing to do, especially when you have a line where wrap nearly round all the way up this. Because, but not lie, like when I used to come here and I wasn't coming here for KFC and I wanted to pass right here, it would be so hard to pass because of the traffic, and the line was so annoying. So at least things are speeding up because they're out here taking people order, packaging people order ahead of time, you get me? Anyways, I'm gonna fling on my mask because, you know, if she was gonna talk to me, I just wanted to have my mask on. yeah, all these things I'm bringing over to the house just to make it easier on me. When I'm bringing over my other suitcases, I don't want it to be too much stuff, so these things I don't really use that often, and a majority of these things are things that I'm selling, so it could be over there, I wasn't using them. But I'm gonna get this. Sit down in a park here. And I know you guys have some questions regarding Chad. I know y'all have other questions, and guess what, I have a video coming. Like, I haven't filmed it yet, but I have the idea in my head. I really want to sit down and, you know, talk about how much my rent is, the process with JPS, the process to get Digicel internet installed in the house, which I have clips for. What else? There's some other things that I want to talk about. So if you have any like renters question, first time, because I am a first time renter, if you have any questions regarding that, the process, drop it down below. I'm also going to show you guys what a renter's agreement could look like, what an offer could look like. What else am I going to show you all? You know, things that you'll need, because some of you ask, you know, oh, what might I need, this, that. Even real life friends of mine have asked me what I need, because I've been doing these videos, and sometimes it all depends on where you're renting. It all depends on the landlord. I mean, this should all be saved in the video, but you know, like, you might need things. It doesn't hurt to say things a couple times for some people. You might need things like bank statement, which I really, for you guys, I want to look into, or at least ask TJ or Kamika, because I don't know if it's necessarily right to have a bank to prove, like, you know, with a bank statement, like showing somebody your bank statement. I don't know if that's legal. I know it's not legal in some countries, some states. America is pretty big. It's not legal in some countries, and it's not legal in some states. So with regards to that, I'm going to have to find out. But sometimes these landlords want to know if you're making the money. But also, I want to talk about things that they have up, like young female, young Christian couple. I think that's discriminatory, and it should be. It's not illegal. It should be illegal. Yeah, but anyway, stay tuned for that video. I think it will be jam-packed with knowledge that you guys will need. Alright guys, I know the last time y'all saw I was at KFC, but I got it, and I got water instead of juice, because, you know, I was just trying to balance it out. And they charge $45 to switch out the juice with the water. They call it a top-up. I'm like, girl, what? If I had known, like, I did know, because I noticed, like, it went from $8.15 to like $8.60 or whatever. Yeah, she told me $8.60, so there's like tax added on to that. But like, I just wanted a replace. Like, I just wanted it replaced. They call it a top-up and charge me $45. This is why people don't do healthy stuff. This is why people do not do healthy versions. But anyways, I want to go say hi to my old neighbors and let them know that I'm basically in the area. Not this area, but basically in the area. Yes, I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna go work on my video that I'm uploading today, which is August 7th. I'm gonna go upload yesterday's vlog, and then I think I'm gonna keep it at that routine. Yeah. I need to change my contacts. But that can actually not wait, but it can wait. I'm also keeping my eyes out, and I know this doesn't really happen much in Jamaica. I mean, not that I know of, but I'm keeping my eyes out to see if I see any like old stuff on people's front of the house or whatever, and if I can pick it up and store it in the back of my car, then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you more Portmore. I should have came to the KFC over here, but I didn't expect to it was just a last minute decision that I made. Yeah. I used to go to school over here. Well, not really per se like over here, but my school used to be, well, it moved. I went to Glowell Prep School, if anybody knows. But I'm gonna turn off now, and I don't really want to show no specifics on where anybody lives. So hey guys, so I finished with my neighbor. I just wanted to go see her and say hi. I'm on my way to the house now. Leon, my friend, lives really close by to me, and ever since he's moved to Portmore, nobody can see him. So that's about to be me part 2. And if you guys didn't know, it's Portmore. I think I've said it before. I'm not gonna get any more specific than that because y'all be telling me, y'all be saying, girl, watch out, which I will. I'm not gonna, you know, reveal anything. I really want to do an empty apartment tour. Like, I well want to see the place. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna film that. It's not so empty now because obviously I'm moving in things in there, so it's not so empty now, but I want to see where I'm staying. I'm gonna come and show you guys Portmore Mall because I only remember the mall, like, to be honest, I don't remember the mall. I did live in Portmore before I moved. What a dirty stinking taxi. I wouldn't allow it, you know. I want next taxi I cut, so must somebody know, because no car couldn't come in front of me like that. Yeah. Sorry you guys, I can't even see what's going on behind. But anyways, there's this church that's next to Portmore Mall, one big church. I used to go to that church every now and then with my neighbor, Auntie Shani. Yeah, and I think Auntie Debbie used to go there, so we can't too remember, is it? But anyways, I'm gonna stay in the lane here because taxi love stop right here. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna come. I want KFC over here, so I'm gonna go to this KFC in a minute. Yo, I need to learn the area. But anyways, take a shot for every time I say anyways. I was about to say it again. Yeah, so I'm gonna come and do a walkthrough of Portmore Mall. You know, just for people who might have lived in Portmore who haven't been here in a while, to see how it's grown or maybe how it stayed the same. Like I said, I can't remember. My apartment is becoming not so empty as I want it to be, and please don't mind this. I'm just trying to set up the camera so you guys can see a little bit. Why the back camera here? Okay, hold on. That's better. It's much better actually. This table is not actually set up. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my screwdrivers. That's how the imprint in it is. I'll turn it straight, but the outline is, I fit it to the outline, the leftover outline. Where my screwdriver at? This table was given to me by Dwayne, so very grateful to Dwayne. There's some screws in here, but that can go on, I guess. This one though. There's one screw already in here, so maybe I can try and knock that one back in and screw in some others, because I can't really. Hold on. Hold on, guys. There. It's already in there, like it's in there deep. There are some screws out on the veranda, so I'll be back. I'm gonna screw it in and then I'm gonna set it up and then come back. Good morning, guys. Today is August 8th. It's actually, yeah, it is. I will be uploading a video today. Well, I've been uploading every day. Oh Jesus, 1 second. So yeah, guys, this is Taboo. I've never been to Taboo, but my cousins have. Yeah, I've never really been to a strip club before, ever. Actually, before I go inside, I know a lot of you guys are funeral procession or just a funeral vehicle. I know a lot of you guys saw the bike video, and a lot of you don't like the fact that the pillions weren't wearing helmets, which is completely understandable. I have no excuse. I have none. Actually I do. I didn't have a helmet, but anyways, it's not an excuse. It's not enough. So I will be taking that into more consideration, and I'm sorry. I just want to apologize because I know like the unnecessary worry for me and others' lives and things like that is greatly appreciated. So I will work on that. I do trust Chad, but I know it's not just the rider, it's other vehicles that can easily cause an accident, which makes me lose my life or other people lose their lives. So I will be doing better when it comes to that. So thank you guys for thank you for that. Yeah, I'm outside of this place called Furniture Land. I've never been here before. It's off Constant Spring Road, right up the road from Dunrobin. I don't really know any. I guess it's 112 Constant Spring Road. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna go inside and see what they got. Yeah, I'll bring you guys in too, so just hold on. Guys, it's really nice. They have a lot of nice stuff in here. I always like these. I think these are so cool. It looks nice. I had to sanitize my own hands when I walked in. They have a spray bottle on the counter right there. Ooh, this table is nice. This is really nice. I like it. I'm not really seeing any prices. Let's see. Yes, this is... Wait, is this... I don't know. Maybe it's US, but 1,450 US. We're just not gonna worry about the prices right now, but we're gonna look at these things and they look really nice. I like this place. Furniture Land. Somebody had asked me if I ask store people to record. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do, but if they, I like this. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but if they ask me to not record, I simply just not record. I don't want to cause any problems. Look at this table. Y'all can't tell me this isn't really cool. This is so beautiful. Hello. Can I help you? I'm just looking. Okay. Yeah. Don't mind if I vlog. People like to see the options that they have in Jamaica to come and shop for furniture. I don't know. But yeah, I really do like this table. But I don't see a price tag, and when I do look at the price tags, they're kind of...
Is it your first time in here?
Yes.
Because Because this store we have, we're selling US dollars.
Yeah, that's what I noticed.
And then you convert it at the going rate.
Okay, that makes sense.
So I don't know if they want you to vlog say business or
Good morning.
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so these are in US prices. Alright, guys, so like I said, I just asked. Normally I don't ask, but I just asked just to show you guys that you can ask. They might say yes, they might say no, but she also said prices are discounted when you guys come in. So if I mention a price, it might not be the actual price. So I'm not going to mention any prices. But this is beautiful. I really like the living. It looks nice. You can't really see the true color, but it looks really nice. I don't know what I need. Actually, I do know what I need. I really am confused. A floor to ceiling mirror would be amazing.
Thank you for keeping cool with you. Alright, so now, if you celebrate your birthday or wedding anniversary.
I'm gonna take a picture for the thumbnail, guys. I'll be right back. But I like this place. I think they have a lot of unique pieces. Some of the prices are up there, I'm not gonna lie to you, but like she said, you didn't hear, but she said prices are discounted for people when they come in. So you just have to come in and see what you like and see what's the best price that you can get it for. And they are in US dollars. They are in US dollars, and they do go at when you bring it up to like the cash register, when you talk to a sales associate, the price is converted at the going rate. You know, people can't lose their money when they do that. But it is Jamaica, so I can see why people might be upset when people do that, but you have to think of right now the price of the dollar. But anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, so upstairs they have more furniture. Looks very grandiose. They have more furniture and they have clothes and small is it Tupperware? Am I wrong? I don't know. Let me know, guys. I really need to increase my vocabulary. This is nice. I love glass. I don't know if you guys know, but I love glass. Not even just wine glasses. There's something about glass that I really like. Even when it comes to architecture, and there's like a lot of glass in the building design, it's really appealing to me. But I don't know, like I grew up watching these shows that, you know, when you get married and someone buys a china set, I always thought I wanted a china set on my wedding. But I'm not sure. I do need to get, I think these are placemats. These are placemats. Of course, they're made in China. But I'm very specific. I don't know. I don't know what I would get. You know? I'm not too sure. Like, one moment I like something, the next moment I don't. It's only $12. These are placemats. I like these ones. I like this one. Huh? No, yeah, I saw the price. Yeah, that's what the lady was telling me downstairs. Is there a specific discount, or is it would it always be like a 25%, or is it very specific to the item?
I would normally give her 25%.
35?
25.
25. You see, guys, it'd be 25. Normally 25%. I like these. I like these. I have sheet spread and everything already, but I'm just looking. I like this store. I like this store. So guys, come to Furnitureland. I already told you where it is. I'm gonna look. Oh my god, here's the stools that mommy saw that you think I would like. I wonder if this is the same stool. Let me look. Look at the picture. All right guys, I'll be right back. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Oh, there's a whole booth over here. Dang guys, this store is very multifaceted. You guys know what I'm saying. I like this store. Yeah. Anyways, I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm now at the Portmore Mall. Yeah, I'm trying to find a hardware store. I need to go to a hardware store and find paint or spray paint. That's what I need to find. So all this extra walking up and down, I'm not spending any money that I don't intend to spend, but I do like showing you guys what's available, you know? Yeah. Plus, I can't remember the last time I'd been here. Like a good minute. But I need to find a hardware store, so I better ask. I should have asked somebody when I was in the store a while ago now. Which song is this? It looks cool. I don't know where a hardware store might be. I should ask. I'm gonna ask somebody over here. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, there's no hardware store in here. The lady said the closest hardware store is by Ports. So I could just exit out here. So I came into the. Excuse me. Excuse me. Girl, guys, yeah. All right, I'll be back. Just gonna. I don't want to waste my time, so I'm not gonna go straight to the hardware store. All right, guys. So I'm in a hardware store next to Courts by the Portmore Mall, and I want to buy some spray paint, but I don't know. I'm missing a color on. Is this black? Should I buy? I want to spray paint this. I'm gonna spray paint something, guys. I think I want to spray paint my palettes black instead of white. I don't know. I want them black instead of white. I need somebody to come assist me. But these spray paints are very affordable, like $361. I'm finna buy up the whole store. All right, no, I'm not. I'm just don't listen to me, guys. I also need to get. I'm not gonna do paint because paint can take forever. I'm gonna enter the forever vibes. If you can't tell from now, I'm gonna enter the forever vibes. Plus, I might probably have to like do one coat of spray paint, let it dry. Do a next coat, let it dry. I think spray paint comes on. From the videos I've seen, spray paint, I probably have to do 2 coats. And then I don't have to buy a brush. Like, I'm trying to be as cost effective as possible. Yeah, I need somebody to come help me. Because I don't know which one to get. And I'm not about to... Hold on. Excuse me? Do you work here? Do you work here? No? Damn, nobody work here? Alright guys, hold on, I don't want you guys to see completely outside. So I'm about to spray paint this table. I just rubbed down some sanding on it. I don't think it's any specific wood, I think it's just stained. You can look. I'm gonna spray paint it black, so I'm gonna sand it down outside It's very windy, so I don't know how this is gonna go with the spray paint. But I'm gonna go watch a couple YouTube videos. I also have my plants getting some sun. I just got my other plants lined up. I need to seriously deep clean the house. But my palm is like leaning down like that. The leaves are leaning like that instead of like that. So I feel like maybe it needs some sun. I'm going to also get some water, and you know, I'm gonna try YouTube some things and see how to take care of palms. And this gotta get cleaned. But anyways, our work today is this table.